What up, what up, what up, Box Chevy family? It's your boy, Box Chevy P. We back again with another one. We out here politicking right now. It's nice little weather right now. It's like damn near 70 degrees, so we trying to get our last little rides in the old school. As y'all can see from the title, we ready to pull this motor out too. I'm debating right now. Y'all see I done pulled him out, just wiped him down a little bit. I ain't cleaned it up, I just wiped it down, but I'm debating now on if I want to go ahead and snatch this motor out, because I really ain't tripping about the interior, because even if I snatch the motor out, my mans can tow it to the interior shop, so I ain't really worried about that. But I'm really just I really want to get started before it gets too cold outside. So y'all see what's up. And then when I pull it out, I told y'all I'm getting the whole engine bay cleaned up. And I'm gonna keep this black as it's supposed to be, but I'm getting the whole engine bay blacked out. So it's gonna be real clean up in here. Only thing gonna be blue. My guy gonna spray this blue. Why he didn't do it the first time, I don't know, but he gonna do this part blue. The rest gonna be blacked out. So I want it to look real clean under here. I painted it the first time, but it was with some spray cans. So this time I'm gonna use some actual automotive paint. That way it look good. I think I'm gonna get the black chrome hood hinges. Already had some chrome ones, but they wasn't going with what I was trying to do. So I'm gonna get the black chrome ones. They like a shiny black color. You know, I'm gonna get those if I can get them cleaned up like I want them. But yeah, the car overheated on me the other day when I was taking a picture. Y'all see that last video of me in the parking lot taking pictures? The damn car had overheated on me. I thought the relay went bad, but come to find out it was the this right here. This was hanging down there. My guy had it ran somewhere through there. Up under the bottom, it's the temp sensor or the signal, the sending unit for the temperature gauge. So he had it ran behind there somewhere, and I guess it touched something hot when it got hot down there and ended up burning out on me. So I wasn't tripping on that. I just went on and pulled it out through there and just crossed it across here for now. But the motor coming out, I'm gonna get it on the engine stand, I'm gonna degrease it, I'm gonna clean it up. It's gonna look brand new again. But this motor is for sale. So, and it really, my guy was supposed to be grabbing it, but just in case, I'm gonna say it's for sale. So first come, first serve. Everything on here brand new. This motor ain't even got 5,000 miles on it. It's super healthy, no smoke and nothing. I got an extra serpentine belt, a brand new one. And yeah, from top to bottom, the carb, everything, the air filter to the oil pan, everything come with it, including the headers if you want them. But everything go 3,000. I throw the transmission in there with it, 3,000. You can take everything. But let me get up out of here. We finna roll. We gonna try to go get some good pictures right quick. And we gonna try to go get some good pictures of the Box Chevy in front of the Chevrolet dealership while it's sunny out here. And then we're gonna stop by the storage and check on the two-door and let it run a little bit, since I ain't started it up in about a week and a half or so. So I'm gonna go let that run for a minute too. So y'all stick around and I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get to the dealer. Let's go. Yep, so we out here. Try to get this a little crispy picture of it in front of the dealer. Nothing major. It's gonna squat a little more once my music go in there too. It's not rubbing or nothing though, so that's good. We got all of them kinks out there. If I turn up a steep hill, it might give me a little rub or something, but other than that, it's pretty good though. But as I'm in the sunlight, I recognize I need to get my damn trim polished, and I'm definitely gonna have that polished before I come back out next summer. See my chrome trim at the bottom? I'm gonna send it to the trim lady. I already actually talked to her, and she said send it in, and she can get me. She was backed up the last time I spoke to her though, so I told her I'll wait to send it in. But I'm definitely, I mean, I can clean it up. It's just some mud on there right now because it was raining the last time I was driving it. But that chrome trim definitely make a big difference within the accents, the small details that pop out on your car, man. You know what I'm saying? So that make a huge difference. But I think I'm gonna get a little driving video. We're gonna go to the other side of the lot. I'm gonna get a little driving video. What's up, Dusty? Oh man, I think I'm gonna have to get some of them moisture bags that my guy Mr. Griffin was telling me about for the to hang up in here, so it won't be moisture all in my car. Even though I might be changing the storage because I'm paying way too much for this damn storage room, so I might be changing it. And I'm gonna tell y'all now, this probably is for sale. This rear deck. I know y'all say, damn, you just got it, but I always got something else up my sleeve, you know what I mean? What the hell is that up there? That's like a beehive up there or something, don't it? That's where all the bees is coming from. My camera finna get ready to die, so we're gonna try to get much footage as we can right quick before we cut this thing off. Let's start him up and pull him out. This red top battery should do it every time. Yep. I didn't never show y'all the LEDs I put on the floor in here. Y'all see all the LEDs on the floor? But I told y'all this carpet is coming out of here, and yeah, the carpet coming up out of here. I got a new carpet that's going up in here once my guy get ready for me, whenever that is, because he was supposed to come by yesterday, and then actually Friday. But yeah, new carpet going up in here. I just got the blue ground effects, put LEDs on the floorboard. New console finna have blue LEDs, and the rear deck is finna have blue LEDs. I'm getting a new deck put in here. I said my other one might be for sale because I'm not sure. Once I get it, I'll let y'all know for sure what I'm gonna do. But let me pull this thing up out of here. So I got plans on this one too. I gotta get that squeaky ass belt taken care of. Something ain't aligned under there. Y'all my subscribers, y'all know that belt has been a thorn in my damn side. Got it quiet, then it started squeaking again. Got it quiet, it started sneaking again. But I like this exhaust on this one. I think I'm gonna end up putting this same exhaust on my other one when I do the LS swap, because it's quiet, right? But when you hit the gas, it got like a real aggressive sound to it. So I think I'm gonna end up putting that same exhaust on a 4-door when I do the LS swap, because I like that sound. I want it to be like a sleeper, where it sound quiet at the light, but when you hit that gas, that thing get aggressive. See, this one right here, this one sound aggressive from the jump. While it's running, it got that aggressive sound, but I want that tame sound, but aggressive when I hit the gas. So that's what I'm going for, really. But this one will be getting swapped out once my console come. That one hopefully will be in the interior shop by the time this console come. One day this month, it's going to the interior. But as far as this interior, it's junky too, so don't mind it. But I gotta get my floor mats clean. But I'm gonna clean the floor mats. I'm pulling this carpet up out of here. It's for these seats, and I'm just telling y'all a quick rundown of what I'm about to do. I got a new console being built for a long console in the middle. Y'all gonna love it. It's gonna be hard. But and then as far as these pieces right here, you see how it's chipping for the paint. So instead of me keep worrying about it chipping, I'm just gonna get all of these pieces wrapped in the blue material. That way I ain't gotta worry about it keep on chipping. I already took that one off right there just to test the waters and see what it do, but I'm getting that wrapped. That way I ain't got to worry about that. So that's a little shit I gotta do to this one, but like I said, I'm gonna be switching them out back and forth. It's winter time, so it's gonna be a little harder to come up with a little content, but we gonna make it happen. We always do. And then we got a full LS swap going down this winter anyway, so hey, we got a lot of content to come. We gotta still change some things out in this interior, so we always got some content, man. I guess me spending money equals content for y'all. Yeah, I might let this deck go. I might not. I don't know. Only reason I'm thinking about letting it go is because it got white LEDs in it, and the theme in this car is blue, so it's really throwing off what I got going on. I actually love the shit out of this rear deck, but like I said again, it got blue LEDs on. I mean white LEDs, and I need blue. But I'm gonna try to probably just put some around it, just to get some blue back there lighting up at nighttime. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out though. Or put a couple blue strips back there. I don't know. But I want to really keep this rear deck. That's the only thing that stops me from really keeping it. I got the same material to go for my console, but I'm just not sure. So I don't know. I don't know, man. But like I told y'all, we set. Y'all just gotta stick around, stay tuned, and see what we gonna come up with. Try to save this battery, because like I said, it's finna die. But there's plenty more to come, man. If y'all here watching this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can get notified every time I drop a video. We almost to that 10K, man. If you watching this video right now, please, please, please take a minute to just hit that subscribe button. If all the views I get hit the subscribe button when they watch me, man, I'll be through the roof. But a lot of them watch videos and don't subscribe. Show me your appreciation by hitting that subscribe button if you rock with me, man. If you're not already subscribed, because there's gonna be plenty more fire videos coming up in the near future. So y'all just stick around and stay tuned. But so y'all see it, everything is in order. Besides that squeaky ass fan, that belt, got good throttle response. This car runs beautiful, man. I love it. Got AC in it, everything. And I got this fan running constantly, which ain't a good thing, but I just had to do what I had to do for now, though, so it's all good. But this my baby too, man. I love both of these cars for separate reasons. This is more the conservative car. I'm planning on repainting this one too, as I told y'all. I'm just not sure exactly how soon, because it's still clean. It'll go, it can pass for how it is, but you know me, I want my shit spotless, so I might get it cleaned up, or I might black it out. Who knows? I'm just debating right now. I'm just stuck. You never know what you want to do, man. And that's my problem. I don't never know what I want to do. But I'll figure it out real soon. Real soon. Ain't gonna have no choice. But yeah, this this thing made me fall in love with it. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and drop this one in there, man. Ain't got to pad no gas. I know we got our big block guys and small block guys who say fuck LS, but I'm team LS to the world blow up, man. They just way more conventional. I can get in this thing and drive to Mississippi if I want to. And it's gonna go. So ain't nothing like having a new motor in an old body style car. So it's basically like I got a 2021 box Chevy. So 21 box Chevy, that's what I'm gonna call it. 21 box Chevy. So I got 220. This one is gonna be a 2018 or something till I get that motor out of there. Well, fuck it, it's still an 87 till I get that motor out. When I get the motor in there, then that's gonna be a 21 too, man. Fuck it. That's what I'm calling both of them, the 2021 Chevys, man. Might even go a year further and just say the 2022 box Chevys. Who knows? But y'all stick around, man, and stay tuned. Like I say, y'all don't want to miss this shit, man. It's gonna be epic. Got coilovers on both of them joints. Got wheel woods on that one. No coilovers on him, but I got the wheel woods. I'm gonna eventually put wheel woods on this one too. But I do got the coilover suspension. They both got new suspensions. This one just need a wheel alignment. And it'll be straight tires, still brand new. I got the same set of tires for that one. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think though, man. But But y'all get in the comment section. Let me know if y'all rock with me, man. If y'all made it to the end of this video, put a 100 symbol, man. 3 of them in a row. Let me know y'all rock with me, man. Y'all know y'all the Box Shape family, and I love all y'all. Who y'all are, man. Them day ones that be in the comment section. Y'all know who y'all are, man. For the new subscribers, I got love for y'all too, man. But my day one subscribers, y'all definitely know who y'all are, because y'all always in the comment section showing your boy love, and I definitely recognize y'all name when I see them. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute though, man. We out for real this time. Peace.